Okay, question. Explain the kinetic and the geometric aspect of plate tectonics. They're doing that for 14 marks with the help of diagrams. Now, you start by defining what is a plate. Plates are rigid blocks that make up the Earth's surface. And tectonism means the tearing, the uplifting, the bending, and the twisting of plates when subjected to convectional currents. This theory of plate tectonics is explained by two aspects, as the question requires: the kinetic aspect and the geometric aspect. We'll start with the kinetic aspect. The kinetic aspect of plate tectonics explains why and how plates are in constant motion. Explain why and how plates are in constant motion. And the movement of plates, they move and meet, separate and bypass at plate boundaries. We have three plate boundaries. You have the convergent boundary where two plates are meeting. It's also known as a destructive plate margin. You have a divergent margin where two plates are separating from each other. It's also known as a constructive margin. Then you have a conservative margin where two plates are slightly bypassing each other. So, then the second aspect is the geometric aspect of plate tectonics. This aspect describes the different sizes and the different shapes of plates. Now, in terms of size, plates are grouped into two categories, into major plates and minor plates. The major plates are 7 of them in number, and the minor plates are 8 of them in numbers. Some of the major plates here we are talking about: the North American plates, the South American plates, the Eurasian plates, the African plates, the Indo-Australian plates, and the Antarctica plates. Then for the minor plates, we have the Cocos plates, the Nazca plates, the Juan de Fuca plates, the Caribbean plates, the Philippine plates, etc., etc. Then, now when you explain this you have to sketch under the kinetic aspect. You have to use arrows to show the directions of the plates. In the case of convergent boundaries, you show two arrows moving towards each other. In the case of divergent margins, you show two arrows moving away from each other. In the case of conservative margins, you also show two plates slightly bypassing each other. Now, full stop.